Hi, welcome to Fusi Edits. Akhil here with a new episode on Photoshop tips and tricks. Today we will be doing an amazing one-click selection in Photoshop 2020. Watch the video till the end and support us. Give us a like if you really enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell for upcoming videos. Let's start with an easy example. We have lot of other and older technique to select an object in Photoshop. Okay, I will show you one of the easy method used. And after that I will tell about the trick. I am using pen tool here. I will show you how to select different objects, and how to refine the edge or refine hair. The selection is made. I have classified different objects in different levels. Select any selection tool and click Select and Mask. Now click on Select Subject. The artificial intelligence of Photoshop will automatically select the subject that you need. Now let's go to level 2. Do the same here, but here we have object further away. And will be a hard selection. Let's see. Wow, it's a great selection. If some of the portions are gone, you can still restore it. Let's go to second level. In this case, we have lot of fur, but we can restore it. Let's see. Now we can go to third level. In this case, we have 3 subjects. I don't think Photoshop can do this. Whoa, Photoshop is doing a great job selecting difficult objects. But we need to refine hairs using Refine Edge tool, so let's do it. Let's move on to the last level. I don't think this is possible here. We have two objects sitting on another object. Let's check that it works or not. Wow, it has done an amazing job.